Next question. Sodium hydroxide pellets were accidentally mixed with sodium chloride. Yes. 8.8 grams of the mixture were dissolved in water to make 1 liter of solution. 50 centimeters cube of the solution was neutralized by 20 centimeters cube of 0.25 molar sulfuric acid. Write an equation for the reaction that took place. So it is important for you to understand that a mixture of sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride, this mixture, if the mixture formed a solution and the solution is reacting with an acid, the acid will only react with the base, sodium hydroxide. So the reaction is between sodium hydroxide and not the impurity. This one is just an impurity, sodium chloride. No reaction will occur with sulfuric acid. So let us write the equation. It is HCl, sulfuric acid plus sodium hydroxide, which will form sodium sulfate plus water. So that is the equation which will take place. Calculate the number of moles of the substance that reacted with sulfuric acid. So they are using the substance because they are not supposed to tell you that it is sodium hydroxide that reacted with sulfuric acid. You should know that a base will react with the acid and not the salt. Sodium chloride is a salt. However, that is why they are calling it a substance. So we know now the substance that is sodium hydroxide. So we want now the number of moles of sodium hydroxide that reacted with sulfuric acid. We have been given the concentration. We don't have the concentration of sodium hydroxide, but now we know the relationship between sulfuric acid using this equation. So we will start from what we know, the known to the unknown. We know that 20 centimeters cube reacted with it. So we started there that we have the molarity of sulfuric acid. So moles of sulfuric acid first. That's what we know. We know that 0.25 capital M stands for moles in 1,000 centimeters cube, because this is molarity, and the molarity I have said that it is the number of moles in 1 liter. So 0.25 moles are in 1,000. What about 20 centimeters cube, the one that was used? 20 centimeters cube will give us which number, what are many moles? So 20 times this divided by this will give us 0.005 moles. Since now the mole ratio for sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide is 1 to 2, it means that the number of moles of sodium hydroxide is going to be twice the number of moles of this. So moles of sodium hydroxide is 0.005 times 2 because of the ratio. This is 1 and this is this. What about 2? This one will give us 0.01 moles. That is it. Calculate the number of moles of the substance that would react with sulfuric acid in 1 liter. Very correct. So the number of moles we have calculated here for sodium hydroxide is for the volume that was used, and the volume is 50. Now we want 1 liter. A liter is 1,000 centimeters cube. So we will ask that 50 centimeters cube we got of the mixture is the number of moles which are containing 0.01 moles. We will simply ask 1,000 centimeters cube of that mixture, or that sodium hydroxide would contain how many moles? 1,000 times 0.01 divided by 50. This one will give you 0.2 because it is moles in 1 liter, that one is molarity, because you would simply write 0.2 mole per liter. Mole per liter. Therefore, that is molarity. Calculate the percentage of sodium chloride in the mixture. What is the percentage of this the impurity sodium chloride in the mixture? Now we have the molarity in a liter. That is the molarity. So what we want is to calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide itself in 1 liter. We will use this triangle. I think you have seen it several times. I will use this triangle that says that molarity, mass in grams per liter, RFM, right? So now I want mass of sodium hydroxide in 1 liter, in a liter first. How do we get that? Mass of sodium hydroxide in grams per liter. So mass in grams per liter is equal to molarity times RFM. Molarity we obtained here, which is 0.2, and the RFM of sodium hydroxide is 40. This one gives us 8 grams per liter. So it means that only sodium hydroxide in the mixture contained 80 grams. But the mixture, so sodium hydroxide plus sodium chloride mixture contains 8.8. So it means that sodium chloride itself contains this one. So sodium chloride equal to the mass of sodium chloride will be 8.8, the total, subtract 8 for sodium hydroxide in 1 liter itself. So this one will give us 0.8 grams per liter of sodium chloride. But we are asked to calculate the percentage. So the percentage for sodium chloride is the mass. We divide by the total, 8.8. We multiply by 100. And this one will give us 9.09%. So that is how. So thank you very much.